Is your Kia Sonet's infotainment screen frozen, or is the audio not working? These are common issues, often stemming from software glitches or hardware problems. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the system without losing data and often resolves temporary freezes. If that doesn't work, consider a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes, but consult your manual first to avoid ECU reset issues. Make sure to check that the USB devices you are using are compatible to the system, as using non-compatible devices may cause issues. Outdated software is a major cause of these problems. Check for available updates via the Kia app or through your local Kia dealer. A significant update, version 2.8, was released in early 2025 for 2021-2023 models to address freezes and audio dropouts. If issues persist, especially with older models, 2020-2022, it might be a hardware problem, specifically faulty capacitors in the infotainment module. A recall was issued for this. Contact your dealer for a free repair if your vehicle is affected. For persistent audio issues, especially after installing aftermarket accessories, consult a professional. Also, check the fuses and wiring to the multimedia control unit, as that can cause audio failures.